Guys, in this video, we're gonna use the index function. First of all, we'll make a pivot the data. We'll use country, price, discount, and profit. Now, before we start, index function is used to return a value based on the row and column that we provide. Okay, so in this, the array is this. For example, if we want to know what's on row number 5 of this array and in column number 2, it's this. Now, we want to know for a specific value. For example, we want to know for Singapore what's the sum of the profit, right? So we'll use index. Now in this case, since we need to know for Singapore, either we are going to count where Singapore lies, or which might be difficult in case there are a lot of entries, or we'll use match. But we have to match Singapore, and what column do we need to match? This is the array in which we need to match, and it has to be exact match. And what we need to provide is the profit, so it's fourth column, right? Here is it, Singapore and this. In case we have a lot of columns as well, and we need to provide the discount, we'll go for index. What's the array? What's the row that we need? We'll give them Singapore. What's the array in which it should look for? And it has to be exact. Now we need to match the column as well. So what's the value we need to match? This. What's the lookup array? It has to be exact. Here it is, guys. I hope you liked the video. In case you need to know more about match, I have a video separately made for match function. Go and check it out. That's it from my side, guys. I hope you liked it. Please share and subscribe.